Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at the top 5 best folding electric bike 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description box below. So, let's get started. Top 5. Ridstar MN-26 Electric Bike. The Ridstar MN-26 Electric Bike is a powerful off-road machine designed for adult cycling enthusiasts. Equipped with a robust 1500 W motor, this e-bike offers exceptional performance and speed, making it ideal for tackling rugged terrains and steep inclines. The 48 volts 20Ah battery provides a substantial range, allowing riders to cover long distances without worrying about frequent recharges. The 26-inch fat tires ensure superior stability and traction on various surfaces, from muddy trails to sandy paths. The bike's durable frame and suspension system are designed to absorb shocks, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on the roughest terrains. With multiple speed settings, riders can easily adjust their pace to match the demands of the trail. The Ridstar MN-26 also features an intuitive LCD display, showcasing essential information like speed, battery life and distance traveled. Its sleek design and high-quality components make it not only functional but also visually appealing. This electric mountain bike is perfect for adventure seekers looking for a reliable and powerful companion for their off-road escapades. Top 4. Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike. The Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike is a powerful and versatile 1000 W 48 volts 15Ah fat tire e-bike, designed for both mountain biking and urban commuting. Its robust 1000 W motor provides impressive acceleration and can tackle steep hills with ease, while the 48 volts 15Ah battery ensures long-lasting performance with a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. This 20-inch electric bicycle features fat tires, offering excellent stability and traction on various terrains, from rocky trails to sandy beaches. The bike's foldable design makes it highly portable and convenient for storage in small spaces, perfect for urban dwellers or adventurers on the go. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, it delivers reliable stopping power for enhanced safety. The LCD display provides real-time data on speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Additional features include a comfortable saddle, front suspension fork for smoother rides, and integrated front and rear lights for visibility during night rides. Available in the US, the Ridstar Winner combines performance, convenience, and safety for a top-tier e-biking experience. Top 3. DEEPOWER 400 W 48 volts 30Ah Adult Bike. The DEEPOWER 400 W 48 volts 30Ah adult fat tire electric bike is a versatile and robust option for city commuting and urban adventures. This folding electric bike combines convenience with power, featuring a 400 W motor that provides ample assistance for a smooth and efficient ride. The 48 volts 30Ah battery ensures extended range, allowing you to cover more distance without frequent recharges. Equipped with fat tires, the bike offers superior stability and traction, making it suitable for various terrains, including city streets, gravel paths, and light off-road trails. Its foldable design adds an element of portability, enabling easy storage and transport, perfect for urban dwellers with limited space. The DEEPOWER 400 W e-bike also comes with essential commuter features such as integrated lights for visibility, a comfortable saddle, and an intuitive LCD display for monitoring speed, battery life, and other vital metrics. With its combination of power, range, and practicality, this urban e-bike is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their daily commute with a reliable and efficient electric bike. Top 2. DEEPOWER G20PRO 1000 W Folding Electric Bicycle. The DEEPOWER G20PRO 1000 W Folding Electric Bicycle is a powerhouse designed for versatile riding experiences. Equipped with a robust 1000 W motor and a 48 volts 25Ah battery, this e-bike offers impressive performance and endurance, making it suitable for various terrains, from rugged mountain trails to sandy beaches. The 20-inch fat tires provide excellent stability and traction, ensuring a smooth and safe ride even on uneven surfaces. This folding e-bike's compact design is perfect for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike, allowing for easy storage and transportation. The G20Pro boasts a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, catering to both short city rides and long-distance excursions. Advanced features such as an LCD display for real-time monitoring, multiple riding modes, and hydraulic disc brakes enhance the overall riding experience, offering safety and convenience. Whether you're navigating through city streets or exploring off-road paths, the DEEPOWER G20Pro is a reliable and powerful choice for any cyclist. Top 1. DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike. The DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike is a robust and versatile e-bike designed for adventurous riders. Equipped with a powerful 2000W motor, it delivers impressive acceleration and speed, perfect for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The 48 volts 25 Ah battery provides a substantial range, ensuring you can cover long distances without worrying about recharging frequently. This e-bike features 20-inch fat tires, enhancing stability and traction on various terrains, from sandy beaches to snowy paths. The folding design adds convenience, making it easy to store and transport. The mountain oil brake system ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides or steep descents. The DEEPOWER 2000W e-bike also includes a 1000W option, offering flexibility for those who may prefer a slightly less powerful but still efficient ride. With its rugged build and advanced features, this e-bike is an excellent choice for riders seeking performance, durability, and convenience in one package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our review of the best folding electric bikes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you next time and keep riding smart.